The upcoming electric version of the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Electric is starting to take shape, and even before the full reveal, there is already something worth talking about. Mercedes-Benz has decided to pull back the curtain just enough to show what drivers will actually experience every day the interior. And based on what we are seeing, this is not just an evolution. It feels like a serious shift in how the brand wants to present its next generation of electric sedans. Step inside, and the first thing that stands out is the screen layout. Buyers will have a choice between two setups, both designed to make a strong visual impact. The MBUX Hyperscreen stretches across the entire dashboard in one continuous glass panel, creating a futuristic, almost concept car feel. On the other hand, the MBUX Superscreen breaks things into three separate displays, but keeps them unified under a single piece of glass, giving it a more structured and layered look. It really comes down to personal preference. One is bold and seamless, the other is clean and organized. What is interesting is how familiar everything else feels. The cabin shares a lot with the latest GLC, which means updated seating, premium materials, and a layout that already feels refined. There is also the Sky Control panoramic roof, filled with subtle star patterns that give the interior a unique atmosphere at night. It is one of those features that might not seem essential at first, but once you experience it, it adds a completely different mood to the drive. Mercedes-Benz is also pushing comfort further with a new automatic climate control system. According to the brand, it can warm up the interior twice as fast compared to a traditional combustion-powered model. That might not sound like a big deal on paper, but on a cold morning, it is something drivers will definitely notice. Another key detail is the availability of a vegan interior package, showing how the company continues to move toward more sustainable materials without compromising on luxury. It is a subtle but important shift, especially for buyers who are paying attention to both design and environmental impact. All of this is just a preview, though. The full picture will come into focus when Mercedes-Benz officially reveals the car on April 20 in South Korea. That is when we will finally learn about performance, range, and everything happening under the surface. For now, this early look at the interior gives a clear message. This is not just an electric version of the C-Class. It is a rethinking of what the modern luxury sedan should feel like.